Believe in Jesus without fear. You will hear of wars and rumors of wars, but see to it that you are not alarmed. Such things must happen. But the end is still to come. Matthew 24, verse 6. This means, mga classmates, if you are for God, then we should not fear, right? Because if you have accepted the Lord Jesus Christ by grace through your faith, then God has your back. We all know that He will be victorious in the end. And we will be with Him in the end. Mga classmates, thus, it's like watching a movie or reading a book and you already know the ending. So if you know how it ends, wouldn't you want to be in the winning team? And if you are, and this is something unknown to you, because fear is often felt when it is unknown. However, if you know, what is to fear? Right, mga classmates? Of course, mga classmates, since we are all humans and flawed, when it happens, we will all feel fear. But we will not park on that emotion for long and do stupid things that we know are against our team. Right, mga classmates?